What's up, guys? I'm back, and well, here to continue. This is a map. No, this is my main map, but this is the gameplay map right here. So we've been playing for 1 hour. Awesome. Let's load this shit. Oh, my chair's so squeaky. So, I can't wait to see how this map plays out. So it'll be great. Take a drink of my water. Well, today is hot as fuck, so I got like 2 fans up in the back of me. Too lazy to hook up that AC. Well, what are you gonna do, right? Still loading? Oh, there we go. Starts. Let's see. Let me turn up the volume in this a bit.
We've made the best of the situation, thanks to you.
Alright. Yeah, I know, right? Oh yeah, change the color too, if you didn't know. Look, check it out. It's green. It's light green. So, what were we doing? I obviously need money. That's good. Over here, it's like stuff. Okay. Alright. So we need more houses. Well, those are good. So we need more houses. Let's see. Right here is alright. Ah, that's what we were doing. We will continue in extension. Alright. Oops. Oh, I know this is not good, but we'll see how it pays off. Go like this. Alright. Okay. This. Oh. I know it's looking ugly, but let's see. We'll go over there eventually. So this should be fine, I think. Let's see. Alright, no, this I knew I was gonna put something here. That. Just ecos, man. They're all happy, like super happy. I'm off my game. I should not have eaten that turkey sandwich. Why not? It was honey turkey, so why not? Alright. So, we need to start building tools. Well, I think tools and wood. Tools is going good. So we need iron and wood. Iron. Okay, here. Here's a good place for iron.
Warning. Production breakdown.
Iron. So, on my other map, I've been fiddling. I've been fiddling with stuff. And
Want to check out what the organization's got to offer, huh? Hey, a person can count on you.
I can't see it because the DX story thing is in my face. What you got, girl? Let's see what you got. Speed of all eco ships. That could be good. Storage capacity of all ships. Whoa, this could be good too.
Our perennial
I
run
might
of the
get
organization
this.
thanks you.
Put that over here. No, I'll put that over here. For now. For now. Whoa. You seriously out of coal too? Alright, well. Looks ugly, but hey, it's an ugly island. Kinda ugly. Now, our wood situation. We got a lot of wood. Alright. Let's continue
Yes,
building.
time? This job
quest.
is one size too big for us.
Oh. What you got? What you want? You want to find 2 engineers in my city, huh?
Everyone's
1,
dying to know
2.
how'd it go. Awesome, you rock.
Really good. Thank you. Alright. I'll upgrade them in a bit. For now, let's continue the building. You know, I don't think I'm getting enough blocks. I don't think so. Let's see. I think I'm gonna put let's see. Right. Here's good. Put a couple of these. One over here. No. 1 and 2. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. 6 of these. Alright, well. We'll go with that. How much are these? 3. What? 4 and 2 is 6. I should have 1 extra. You know, just in case. Just in case. Looks like that's good. Alright, let's continue here. You know what, I might upgrade some of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, that. I know you could just go like this and like that, but alright, let's see. Let's just do this.
Expanded.
I will need rice, boatyards, this. So vegetables and rice, huh? I'm obviously putting rice here. Wow, my eye hurts.
Warning.
The sun,
Production breakdown.
it burns. So, we go over
Additional
here.
buildings now available.
Let me set up my coastline. Nothing too fancy. Whoa. 7 wood. Oh. Come over here. I kind of like the green. If you look at it, it's kind of like, I don't know, pretty, I guess. Let's see, I need this. Maybe like five. There we go. So it'd be like, I might move this anyway, so what do I need? Eco engineers, huh? I guess I'm stuck with freight ships for now. Now then. Whoa. Now I need vegetables and fruit, huh? I mean, yeah, vegetables and rice, my bad. Oops. Oops.
Registering new vehicle.
Where, oh where, is going to be my vegetable island? This looks interesting. However, no. This looks interesting. This looks really interesting. Look at this island. Oh, right here look good. Because you could just like go from this shore to this shore. Quick succession. Quick succession. I don't even know that's a word. Alright. Let's see, do I want this shore? I think this shore looks nicer. Yeah, this shore looks good. Got a nice little cove and everything, you know? Bam. I'll need another one here. I know this is like breaking my money, but I gotta do it. Gotta do it. Let's see. 10? Damn, 10 power, huh? That hurts. That hurts my body. Good. You guys are set for now. Let's continue. Alright. Well, first things first, I will need more tools and that. Over here. Oh, wait a minute, not just tools. Make a new trade route. Wood slash sugar slash coffee for now, because this island here, the tea island, see, look, I got coffee and stuff, and it's still gonna be like, whoops, super awesome drinks, awesome. So wood, sugar, oh, we don't have that yet, huh? Damn. Alright, so wood. Oh, what? That's weird. I didn't name this island. Interesting. I need to put this name Lightship 3. Perfect. Let's name this island. What's a good name? I've been watching Game of Thrones a lot, so I know. Iron City. Looks good. I'll need some wood. Well, I'm off to a good start because eco balance is sexy. Look at that. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. I can take a swim in that if I want to. It's my island. I don't think the game will let me, but one. Now then, where art thou my phone? Vegetable layouts, huh? Phone. Galleries. Oops. Bad. Let's see now, where is vegetables? I have like a whole folder and shit rating. It's efficient and it's useful. Damn it, where did I put vegetables? Ah, here we are. So, where are... Over here looks good for a vegetable farm.
All systems online.
Oops. So,
Warning. Production breakdown.
7. Oh shit. Well, I don't think that's gonna fit. 3 and 3, 6. Okay, it might fit. By what? 7 by what? 3 and 3, 6 and 4 is 10. 7 by 10, huh? 5. 5. Oh, hang on. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. It might fit. If it doesn't fit, damn it. Hopefully I measured this right. Sushi?
Values rising.
Sushi? Alright, sushi. Ah, it might fit. Four and 5. Yeah, Google got all the good layouts. Yeah, you can make your own, but I mean, you want to play the game and have fun, right? And I have fun doing this. Fuck it, why not? 3. 3. Man, I love this game. It's so fun. Now that we need 1 and 2. Ooh, hang on now. This might not work. Okay, it will. Awesome. Yes, sweet. Everything fits. Alright. Bam. 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 Oops. Bam. Bam. So, for this outlet, I'm gonna need another ship too, huh? Shit. 12. Oh yeah, you got enough. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Got him. Ha! You try to steal all that? Yeah, that's right. Thought so. Stealing my stuff. Oh no, this is the guy. My bad, buddy. Well. How are we doing with stuff? Coal. I'm gonna upgrade you. So once that ship finishes. Alright. We should work on the rice next. Let me go over here, steal some stuff.
Completed.
Light ship 3? 4. Okay. New trading route. This. Hang on now. What's this island? This island has veggie, wine, cake. Alright. Veggie, wine. Veggie wine. That'll sound out right. Then again, if you think about it, it might taste good. Pick up one. 2. Yeah, 1 is good. Drop off at the Iron City. Yes. Kind of like that name. It's pretty good. Alright, give me some stuff. 1, 2. Yeah. Now we need rice. Tea. I could definitely fit another tea plantation over there. Big ass one too. Crap. Now for rice. Rice. Damn it. I really should not have mixed up my regular photos with these photos. Ugh. Look at that beard. Now then. Rice is 8 by 8. How interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops. 7, 8. 4. 4 and 4 is 8. 4 is 8. That should work. Alright. Got the little Nazi sign going there. Alright. Let's see, I need you. You. And come on now. You, and finally you. Alright, so perfect. That. Oh, I thought I was gonna have to do it all over right there again. Lucky. Dude, this anime I've been watching makes me want to go back and play Ion. Shit. It's like with fuck, can't remember the name now. Something like a dungeon something. It's like dude collect magic stones and stuff. Like fucking. It's like something like Log Horizon, but like a little bit. Yeah, it's alright. It's pretty good though, I ain't gonna lie. Let's see, light ship. 7? Whoa, what? I thought I already had 7. Whoops. 4. Lightship 5. Okay, I'll go with that.
Warning. Production breakdown.
Sugar and coffee. Hang on now, what? And I'll pick up rice. Deposit rice. That works. Well, now I could save a ship. Oh, looks like rice is gone. Good.
You have some time? This job is one size too big for us.
Dude, you could just walk around the block, I'm pretty sure. Yep. One over there. And one.
You did it, right? Awesome.
Over
You
here.
rock.
Thanks, man. Oh, it was. I'm your god, so thank you. Thank you very much. Oh dear. Guess we're gonna have to come down here now, huh? Maybe like... That could work. Maybe. Might need to redo it, but... These guys are so happy. Must be something in the tea. Definitely gotta be something in the tea. I mean, the eco balance is bad. You guys just happy like this? Why are you so happy, guys? I think here for now. Three. Hang on now, we might need to go down one space. Oh, looks good. Bam. Why not? Just go do that. Let's make sure they have enough fishies. Do I have another... Whoa, down here would be a damn good place for fish.
You could make yourself useful.
Engineers, huh? Fish. Fishies, fish. That could work. Spell a shoreline now. Damn, I need more power. Now then, a shoreline for fish. How would I set this up? This way. Oh, that's weird. Nah. Yeah, that works. Bring me more to see? How awesome is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I fit 6? Nope, can't fit 6. Why, por favor? Pretty sure you can pick up those. Pretty sure your fish is good. Tea. These are from my other map. I just noticed. Damn. Now then, I need what? Pretty sure you guys is bringing over. Yep, you are. Let's create a food area. Food will be going up here in this tiny corner. One, two, three. Damn it. 4. That works. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. I know it's a bit overkill, but I'm gonna have like 2 of this off anyway, so. Alright, now I need a main supply line. Whoops. Eco eco main supply line. Bam. Now pick this up. Okay, no, not this one. Go to the Iron City. Damn, alright. Iron City. Pick up this. Pick up this. What else to pick up? No, those are good. For now, Switzerland 1 and 2. Alright, ship light 5.
You should help us solve
Now
this
then.
problem.
You demand I construct that, huh? I should, but I'm not. No one demands me, buddy. You bastard. Well. I need to move it 1 space over. Damn. Actually, that works. Boom. Boom.
Warning. Production
One.
breakdown.
Huh? Well, what just broke down? That. You guys got a beach house. Pretty cool. Bap bap. They got a beach house, alright. Anybody else want a beach house? You can have a beach house. You and you can have a beach house too. Well, this is starting to look good. Just a tad bit. 3. Damn. Always run out of blocks. Alright, well. Now we work on what? Oh, wait a minute, I can build some more shit. Sweet. Now, let's see, we need to make... I hate making this. It's a disaster. It's quite annoying. One more. Alright, copper. Don't I have a special thingamajig here? I might need to import copper. From where, though? Where is a great island, but not this island? Maybe this island. No, can't be this island. What about this island? There's three mines right here, and there's 25 tons. I'll do it here. Could easily pick up 3 tons quickly.
Anyone interested in a good deal?
Do I have enough? I do have enough of stuff. Alright, copper. This will be copper for now. What space? For now.
Congratulations on having so much foresight.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much, buddy. 1 and 2. 1, 2. Tiberius. Light ship 5, 6. Whoa, okay. What do you want? What will happen?
I'm afraid time is of the essence in this matter.
Man, you sound like you're from Jersey. How I know? That South Park episode. Jersey attacked. Ah, shoot. Alright, let's see. Right here, look good. Oops, just hit my mic with my fingers. It's my face. This is like for more monies. Oh, that's right, I gotta buy shears. Damn, I can't buy shears yet? Sucks. Alright. Now then. That guy's bringing over stuff. But here is going to be my, my awesome freaking microchips. Damn, I hate microchips. 1, 6. And 6. I think 2 of these runs 1. Two of those run 1 of these. Yeah. Alright, so I'll make 3 of these.
You did the right thing. Thank you.
Yeah, 3. Yeah, thank you. 3 of these. Well, I am replacing these anyway, so. And 5 of these, so 5 is good.
Warning. Production breakdown.
Iron smelter, huh? Damn. You guys want coal? I already have 2 coal mines in operation. Somebody's outside my house fighting. That's New York for you. Fuck it. Coal. Alright. Sweet. My ship should be here soon to pick up those, and there he goes. I should really pause this, but nope. Too late now. They're already getting it. Come on. Ah, yeah, that's good. Upgrade time, fuckers. You guys are hovering, huh? Well, I
Nice.
should have really
The
let
way
it
you
build
have
up.
everything under control here. Good for you.
Yeah, I know. Good for me. I think I am going to need maybe...
Alert. Fire. Registering energy shortage.
You guys gonna burn like a pork chop.
Fire danger eliminated.
Go fire truck. Damn right. Now we need to go like this. 6. I need one more. Why not? Well, it looks nice like that. Microchip should be going up soon. Copper and sand is dropping quick. Pretty sure 2 sand machines is good though. Then again, should be fine like that. Good. Copper's dropping, sand's dropping, chip should be going up. Awesome. 5 chip factories, maybe a 6th. Because those guys really like cell phones apparently. don't know why I put it like that. Why did I put it like that? There we go, that's better. Bye-bye, trees. Good. Ah, that's better. And I'll put maybe one more of this, just to help. Good, 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 good. Now, let's see how we do in here with stuff. Yep, that's max, that's max. Now we could finally get the next level. How quick that goes up. That's what she said.
Registering new population.
Shazam. Sweet. Sweet. I'll use that. Damn, I need 950. Shit. Wow, I need 950. That is the Bane right here. Spin this around.
Energy supply inadequate.
Bam.
You are full of surprises.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you very much. So happy and shit. Alright, well, with that, I think I'm going to end it here. Alright, that's good. Let's see. Let's save the game. Override cake. Because cake is awesome.
Game saved.
And with that, I bid thee bon voyage. No. I'll be back. No, fuck, that's like fucking old. No. Hasta la vista.